Hello, it's Hanny with my December daily, and I'm going to make day 16. 1, 6. I'm going to make it number 16. I found a bunch of circles. Well, I thought maybe it's an idea to use all kinds of circles on this page, and I have this piece too, because I have to think of a journaling something where I can journal on. So I'm not sure what to do yet. I decided I'm going to use this one. I have, well, this is these are 2.5 inch. I have these in stock, and I had this piece and I cut 2-inch circles out of it. Well, I don't know which project. I think it was a Christmas card. And what I'm going to do now is take my 2.5 inch punch and punch like this. I have a little ring. I like that. And I can punch a whole circle, of course, like that too. And I could journal on this one, maybe. Could use this little piece left over as a journaling card. Could do that. And use some of this as a pocket. Well, I first will glue the ring on. Or shall I do it this way? And make a pocket of this. Oh. Well, I don't know. I didn't prepare this one, you know. Not quite. Yeah. What shall I do? Yeah, I found a way. I think, I hope. What I can do is cut out little circles. I hope. Well, just try another one here. You see, like so, and I can glue that, the ring, like so on the paper, so I'm expanding the ring more or less. You see what I mean? So I have to search for some more circles. This one, no. This one, it's possible, it's a bit smaller. And maybe some black circles, because the numbers I found, oh, this is a small one. I have to have a big one. This is a big one. I think. Like so. 3 of these. And now I should use some black because my numbers are black. So maybe I should use some more black. I'm going to punch a few circles from this, because I'm not going to use that in another way. Then I use this one as a pocket. Yeah, that's simpler. And this one as the decoration. So I'm gluing all kinds of little circles on the page. I also punched from this tape, washi tape, some circles, and now I'm gluing them on the page. Like this. And this is going to be the pocket. And I hope it fits. Well, it doesn't fit. Oh dear. It doesn't fit anymore. So I think I'm going to cut this a bit smaller. Maybe I do a 2-inch circle in that, up in there. So I will punch a few red ones. I'm going to search my 2-inch punch. Then the journaling card is a bit small, but well, I didn't do much that day, so yeah. That was my 2-inch punch, and I'm going to do that. I can use both sides for journaling. I'm gluing a little tab on there, so I have a grip. Like so. Well, I glued a few more on. I think that's enough. It's very busy. Could do some green ones. No, it's busy enough. I think I'm going to leave it this way. I like it with all those little circles. And this is the journaling circle. So, that's my day 16. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.